Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel Biker Rider. In today's video we'll be taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Kawasaki Versys 650. Whether you're an experienced rider or a newcomer to the world of adventure bikes, this model has been creating quite the buzz. Let's dive into its features, performance, and whether it's the right bike for you. Design. The 2025 Kawasaki Versys 650 continues to impress with its rugged yet sleek design. The updated bodywork includes a more aggressive front with sharper lines, giving it a bolder and more modern appearance. The lightweight build and ergonomic stance make it comfortable for long rides, while the adjustable windscreen provides excellent wind protection, ensuring you can handle any terrain or weather condition. Engine performance. Under the hood, the Versys 650 is powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine. Known for its smooth power delivery, it provides just enough punch for both city commuting and off-road adventures. With 68 horsepower, the engine is well tuned for reliability and fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling winding mountain roads, the bike's responsive throttle and consistent torque make for a great ride. Suspension handling. One of the standout features of the Versys 650 is its impressive suspension setup. It comes with a 41mm telescopic fork at the front and a single shock at the rear, both offering plenty of adjustability. The result? A smooth ride whether you're on asphalt or uneven trails. The handling is precise, and the bike feels planted at high speeds, giving you the confidence to explore all kinds of terrain. Technology features. Kawasaki has equipped the 2025 Versys 650 with a suite of modern tech to enhance the rider experience. The TFT display is now more user-friendly, offering clear, easy-to-read data and has multiple display modes to suit different riding styles. The bike also comes with standard ABS for enhanced braking control, especially in slippery conditions. With optional Kawasaki Quick Shifter KQS, shifting gears has never been smoother. Comfort ergonomics. Comfort is a major highlight of the Versys 650. The adjustable seat height ensures that riders of different statures can find the perfect riding position. The handlebars are designed to reduce fatigue, and the footpeg positioning strikes a balance between comfort and control. Whether you're touring for hours or tackling short weekend trips, this bike offers great ergonomics for long-distance comfort. Conclusion. So, is the 2025 Kawasaki Versys 650 the perfect adventure bike? It's definitely a strong contender. With its excellent balance of power, comfort, and versatility, it's a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned riders. If you're looking for a bike that can handle both your daily commute and weekend adventures, the Versys 650 might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this. See you on the next ride.